Hi, this is Anne-Marie Coons, and this is my presentation on the Human Resource Frame. The Human Resource Frame sees the organization as a family of different individuals, and these individuals have their own needs, skills, and relationships. The Human Resource Frame focuses on the skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication of these individuals. The Human Resource Frame also assumes that the organization is there to serve human needs. It assumes people and organizations need each other, and that people and organizations must be a good fit for each other to ensure success. If they're not a good fit, then both can suffer. The success of the organization is dependent on the alignment of the needs of the humans and the organization. One way to ensure the alignment of these needs is to encourage the participation of all members in things such as strategic planning, decision-making, and communicating their own needs and feelings. The leader in a human resource frame is simply a catalyst and a servant. Their purpose is to meet the needs of the people that make up the organization. My leadership hierarchy is illustrated here. I'm the principal at the top of the pyramid. The next step of the pyramid are the students. And the students, to me, are the most important piece in this whole hierarchy. The students are the reason why we're teachers. They're the whole reason we have schools and districts and academic organizations. The entire purpose of schools is to provide a positive educational experience so that these students can have success in their lives. And every decision that we make should be driven with that vision to provide that educational experience for all students. The next rung in my hierarchy are the teachers, office staff, paraprofessionals. These are the people who have the most daily contact with our students. They are in charge of the educational and emotional needs of our students. Every day they are working to create positive experiences and positive learning opportunities to help shape a positive educational environment for our students. The next level are the cooks, custodians, and maintenance personnel. These are the people who are taking care of the physical needs of our learning environment. They're making sure that we have clean, safe, attractive facilities. They're making sure that our students are fed. In a lot of cases, they also have daily contact with our kids. And again, the whole purpose of schools is to provide this positive educational experience for our students. I placed parents on the next level down. While parents are an important supportive role for schools, they are further out of the influence and reach of the leadership of a school. The influence that we can use with parents is making sure we provide positive educational experiences for their kids so that they are hearing about those experiences at home. And we can also influence their experience in our district by the positive PR and community messages we're sending. Lastly, I've listed community and alumni at the bottom. I feel they are furthest out of reach, and again, they're further removed from our physical facilities and what we're actually doing every day to serve the needs of our students and to provide these educational experiences. One way we can influence the community and alumni is by sending out positive PR, either through print or media, social networks, things like that, to help them see the positive things that are happening in our school districts. It's been a pleasure taking this class with you and learning so much from you. Thank you.